Great job. Julie Richardson, Department Chair of Special Ed, Waco High. And we will go to your next stuff. Let me see what you got next, okay? I'm proud to pilot and teach the Turning Point Night School at Waco High.
Antonio Majors, 12th grade.
Wendy Hernandez, 12th grade.
The purpose of Turning Point Night School is to catch the kids who may not graduate. We want them to come and stay, and so it's a turning point in their lives of which crossroads they're going to take.
I'm here for credit recovery so I can walk the stage.
And these are, a lot of them are seniors who have already gotten full-time jobs. With COVID and the pandemic, that definitely changed a lot of our students' lives, and so they went and got jobs to help support their families, and so they have a hard time making that decision of coming back to school when they see the dollar signs. And so this is a way for us to catch them and allow them to graduate on the foundation plan where they earn 22 credits.
It works with my schedule. Since I work during the morning, it lets me come to school.
It is flexible for the students. It is from 4:30 to 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and on Fridays 4:30 to 6:30.
It's very helpful for the people that was in jeopardy of not graduating. My family really love it for us.
It is a hard program. It is rigorous. It's the exact same curriculum that is offered in the school. The difference is that a lot of these kids, they have to read the stuff themselves. They're making the notes themselves. I'm giving them support, and the other teachers are giving support as well. But it is something that they're really doing on their own, so they have to work hard.
I think it's a good program for students who work in the morning or have other things to do during the morning.
For me, the end game is for them to graduate, but I also want them to see that they have the self-confidence and the ability to do something they didn't think they could do.
I really recommend this program for students, for the ones that's in jeopardy of not graduating, because it's a lot of help. It's one-on-one time help.
I got my credits back and my attendance got better.